Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to link Asana to Outlook calendar. This is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First step is to scroll down to your project section. Once you see it, click on project that you want to link to Outlook calendar. Now select the drop-down menu which says actions, and this will expand this menu where you have sync/export. This will expand another menu where you can export basically link your project to Google Sheets, iCalendar, Google Calendar, and even the Outlook calendar. So click on that. Now click on connect to Outlook calendar and proceed with the information that they will give you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.